Hi friends, welcome to my channel Nature Roy once again. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for liking my channel, sharing, commenting and subscribing. दोस्तों आज मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। क्या आपको पता है आफ्टर वाटर द मोस्ट वाइडली कंज्यूमेबल ड्रिंक इन दिस होल वर्ल्ड क्या है? वो है चाय। जी हाँ दोस्तों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट टी। द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज़ कि आपको पता है कि एक चाय प्रोसेसिंग में कितने सारे स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम द प्लांटेशन till the final manufacturing stage. There are lots of process involved in this entire supply chain or entire manufacturing process. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो दोस्तों आज आप बिल्कुल सही जगह पे हैं. Please watch this video till the end and enjoy the process of tea making right from the plantation till the final packaging. The first thing which strikes my mind when I think of tea is the tea plantation. There can rarely be anything more natural or more blissful than taking a walk inside a tea estate, also known as a tea garden. A tea garden is grown and maintained with a lot of care and precision. Some of the basics could be that the total tea garden area should be properly fenced. There should be minimal or no grass on the floor, and the weeds should be taken off on a regular basis in order to provide a conducive working environment for the tree pluckers. Another important factor in managing a tea garden is shade planting. The shade provided by the bigger trees are very important for the smaller tree plants to survive. Leaves falling from the larger trees also acts as natural manure for the smaller tree plants. Now let's go to an expert and also enjoy the local music.
This is two leaf and a bud. This is the original tea from where we pluck the tea, and after this we go for manufacturing. There are severe procedures for making the teas. So first we will go from the ground level. ये चाय गाछ जो होता है ये 0 years से लेके हम लोग इसको प्रोसेसिंग में लेता है. पहले जब 0 years रहता है उसको हम लोग मैन्योर देता है, नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर्स देता है सच एज काउ डंग और दूसरा मैन्योर्स भी है. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जब ये 16 इंची जब होता है 16 इंचेस उसको तब हम प्लांटिंग में लेके आते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग एक साल इसको प्रूनिंग वगैरह सेंटर आउट रीसेंटर आउट ये सब करते हैं इसको एक साइमल्टेनियस लेवल में आने के लिए, जहाँ पे आने के बाद में हम लोग उसको प्लकिंग करना चालू करता है. अभी जो आप लोग ये चाय गाछ देख रहे हैं 26 to 26 इंचेस ग्राउंड लेवल से इसका हाइट है. ये अभी पूरा प्लाकेबल बुशेस है. ये आपका 8 to 9 years ओल्ड बुश है. सो फ्रॉम हियर per hectare you can cultivate 500 to 600 kgs of leaf per hectare. In per hectare it may be the bush population will be 13,500 to 14,000.
Hold your breath. A tea plant can grow up to a massive 60 feet high if allowed to grow undisturbed. However, if they are to be cultivated, they are kept at a height of about 4 feet by regular pruning in order to form what is known as the plucking table, which facilitates hand plucking and encourages bud growth. The plucking process occurs when the tea bush flushes or pushes out new leaf shoots. For a fine black or green tea, the pluckers will take the first 2 leaves and one new bud. For white tea, just the bud will be plucked. Plucking is an extremely labor-intensive process. Leaf plucking should be done in the morning and processing can begin the same day. For good quality tea, processing will start within 2 hours of harvesting of fresh tea. After a hard day's plucking, the workers will gather under a bamboo hut for weighing the tea leaves collected during the day while having some light refreshment. The tea leaves are then dispatched to the tea factory for further processing. Once the tea leaves arrives at the factory from the garden, they are properly sorted before being tied in cloth and sent ahead for the next process known as withering. Well, plant leaves are made up of mostly water, and they begin to wilt and lose water when they are removed from the plant, and tea leaves are no exception to this. Once they are plucked, the leaves begin to lose water and wilt, and this process is known as withering in the tea industry, and this is a withering fan. And this fan, which is usually of 30 horsepower, will throw air at high speed right through the iron mesh known as trough. After the leaves are evenly spread across the length and breadth of the iron mesh. Bunching of wet leaf should be avoided, and air velocity should be such that the leaves are not lifted up. The leaves should be handled carefully. The primary aim of withering is to reduce the moisture content of leaf and to soften it, so it becomes flexible and can withstand the subsequent process of rolling without breaking into flakes.
विदरिंग का तो बेस्ट ये है कि आप जितना ज़्यादा कर सके 72 पर 70% तक आप कीजिए, अच्छा है। जितने ज़्यादा विदरिंग करेंगे उतना ही अच्छा हो। 70% तक हम लोग विदरिंग करते हैं। उसके बाद वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी लीफ क्वालिटी कैसी है, आपका जो है कि मेक कैसा होना चाहिए, वो एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट हम लोग अपना देख के वो करते हैं।
After the leaves are properly withered, they are put inside bags and moved ahead for further processing by taking the help of a conveyor belt with hooks. The leaves are then gathered together for the next step, known as cutting or disruption. And this cutting or disruption is done with the help of a machine known as rotor van. And this is how the leaves look like after they come out of the rotor van machine. In India, there are mainly three types of tea: CTC, which is also known as crush, tear and curl, green tea, and the third one is the orthodox tea. Rotor van is used as a preconditioner for withered leaf prior to processing in the main CTC tea machine for black tea manufacture, and it is said to have a positive effect on the quality of tea. This machine consists of two separated metal rollers placed close together and revolving at unequal speed, which cut, tear, and twist the leaf. The cell membranes of the leaf are damaged, allowing mixing of chemical components of leaves with enzymes. And this is how it looks like after it has gone through the rollers. The mashed up tea leaves then finally falls into large iron rollers for further processing. And when the leaves comes out of the roller, they take granular shape, known as gogi. The uneven shape of the tea leaves that comes out of the conveyor belt are considered as rejects and are being made to follow the same process once again till the time they are perfect. The next step is fermentation. Fermentation takes place in separate fermentation rooms, which needs to be kept extremely clean to avoid bacterial infection of the tea. In present days, continuous fermenting machine (CFM) is widely used for fermentation in tea industries. It consists of single circuit of trays, top run of which passes through the fermenting chamber. Trays exposed at the feed end take the leaf load through a conveyor and are made to travel slowly. The tray feed up to 15 cm depth with rolled leaf entering the fermenting chamber through which humidified air is supplied. As soon as the tea has acquired a copper red color, the correct degree of fermentation has been reached and the process must be halted by drying. The tea leaves then travel to the dryer.
और फायरिंग करते हैं, फायरिंग पीछे होती है, उसको तो हीटर को गर्म करके और पुश करके उसको हम लोग फिर हवा से इसको तैयार करते हैं। इसके अंदर हीट कितना होगा? इसका टेम्परेचर अभी राइट नाउ 105 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। बाहर डाल दिया 105 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे अभी।
After the leaves comes out of the dryer, they are being placed to cool down before being taken to be sorted as per their grades.
दोस्तों, तो जो भी आज आपने देखा वो मुमकिन इसीलिए हो पाया बिकॉज आई एम बीन बैक्ड बाय सम रियली गुड पीपल, सम रियली गुड लोकलाइट्स. इनके बिना ये प्रोसेस सारा दिखाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रोसेसेस इन्वॉल्व. बहुत सारे लोगों से परमिशन लेना पड़ा हमको. गिव ए शाउट आउट टू मिस्टर पिनाक एंड मिस्टर गोविंद फॉर रियली हेल्पिंग मी and I thank them from the bottom of my heart and I really urge them to say a few words.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, माई सेल्फ पिनाक और मैं असम के एक छोटे से गांव से बिलोंग करता हूं. तो एज ए लोकल मैं उनको लेके गया. टी गार्डन के जो प्रोसेसेस हैं सब उनको हमने दिखाया. वहाँ पे कैसे टी प्लांटेशन होता है, कैसे जो टी का जो लीफ होता है, जो प्लग कैसे ही किया जा सकता है, सब कुछ हमने उनको दिखाया. तो आप सोच रहे हैं दोस्तों, टी ये सुनने में छोटा हो सकता है लेकिन चीज़ बहुत बड़ा है. हाउ पीपुल वर्क देयर, लोग जो काम करते हैं, ये टी प्रोसेसिंग कैसे होता है, इन सब में इनका जो मेहनत लगता है, सब कुछ सब मैंने आज उनको दिखाया. आप इस चैनल को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और विथ ए कप ऑफ टी इन हैंड. ओके, थैंक यू.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम गोविंद पनिका है. मैंने हेल्प किया, मेरा दोस्त है बचपन का. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मुझे जितना पता था. और मैं इस टी गार्डन का स्टाफ था, लेकिन फ़िलहाल मैं बीमार हूँ. तो मेरा कुछ कलीग है, मैं उनसे बात किया. उसके बाद जितना हो सका मैंने किया इनके लिए। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, शायद आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा। और कीप सपोर्टिंग प्लीज़।